Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel. Rudra classes IELTS PTE. Reading collocations. Important for reading, fill in the blanks. Careful thought. Carefully controlled. Carefully selected. Carry information. Carry out research. Carry out the task. Cast doubt. Casual link. Casual relation. Casual relationship. Cause consequences. Cause stress. Central authority. Central concept. Central concern. Central control. Central core. Central feature. Central focus. Central government. Central importance. Central issue. Central part. Central point. Central position. Central problem. Central question. Central role. Central tenet. Central theme. Certain aspect. Certain assumptions. Certain characteristics. Certain circumstances. Change constantly. Change dramatically. Change rapidly. Change an attitude. Changing attitudes. Changing circumstances. Changing nature. Changing needs. Changing pattern. Changing world. Characteristic feature. Chemical reaction. Civil case. Civil society. Class consciousness. Classic example. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe YouTube channel.